What's going on, everyone? It's Brian, Sparky's Metal Salvage. Thought I'd bring you something else today. My channel, I'm not only going to do model stuff. It's going to be mainly model stuff. I'm going to do car shows and different bigger events and stuff. I like to do that. And another thing, me and my fiance, soon to be wife here in November, we're both very big into Jeeps, and we both have, she has a 06 LJ and I have a 05 LJ that's built. Well, right now we are in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and we are picking up her Jeep that's getting just a small build done on it. She just wants something fun to drive, loud, tires jacked up, not as crazy as mine. Mine's a rock crawler. And yeah, it's getting done by 3D-Off-road here in Colorado Springs. Matt Thompson and his guys over there are freaking amazing, absolutely amazing. I've been coming out here for the last 4 winters. I think I've been out here about 8 different times now. And so we're out here going to pick up her Jeep. And what she doesn't know, she knows there's going to be an unveiling, but she doesn't know when. And we're actually doing it at Garden of the Gods, and she has no idea. It's going to be at 9 o'clock. Right now it's 6:15 a.m. And yeah, she's kind of sick, so we're going to go back to the apartment here and go rest. And I'm going to ask her to go with me to Garden of the Gods at 6:45, and Matt and 3D Off-road are going to have the Jeep over there, tarp over it and everything, and going to do the unveiling there. She has no idea what is going on. She knows that she's going to get it today. She just doesn't know when. I told her I'm not going to tell her when. So yeah, we're at Amy's Donuts right now getting donuts, but yeah, just keep watching. It's pretty cool. So it's 8:30 in the morning. Unveiling is right up the road at Garden of the Gods. And I think she knows something's up. I don't know. I told her the unveiling's gonna be later, and she's like, oh, okay, whatever. I think she kind of knows, but yeah, we will, we're gonna get up there. She's not feeling the greatest right now. Letting her rest and taking the dog for a walk, and we are going to head up there in a little bit. And I think they got it all set up, tarped over it and ready to go. And yeah, it's gonna be fun.
You all ready? All right, well, come over here. Nate, grab that side. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Holy.
we had to go back to 3D Off-road. Here's some other builds out there in the parking lot. LJ over there, sweet JK. This is Matt's Gladiator, 40s.